For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're anything like me, you know how tricky it can be to get that fresh, bouncy Salon Blowout look without spending hours at home. That's where the Revlon One-Step Volumizer Hair Dryer and Styler really shines. Designed to style, dry, and volumize your hair in a single step, it's built for busy mornings or quick touch-ups. From the first time I tried it, I could tell it was different. My hair dried way faster, and the frizz was noticeably less compared to my old standard dryer. Thanks to its ionic technology, it helps speed up drying while protecting your hair from excess heat damage, something my hairstylist, Jenna, always says is key to keeping hair healthy over time. What I also love is the smart 2.8-inch oval brush design. It smooths out your hair while the rounded edges create that lift and slight curl at the ends. I usually hold it under my roots for a few seconds just like the tips suggest, and it gives my hair a nice, natural-looking boost without needing extra products. Having medium-length wavy hair myself, this tool made styling so much easier without pulling or tangling. Another thing I noticed right away is the flexible heat and speed settings, 3 options plus a cool blast setting. I like to start with the medium heat for fast drying, and then finish with the cool shot to lock in the style. It's something I picked up from watching a Revlon tutorial video, and honestly, it made my style last a lot longer throughout the day. The ceramic coating is a huge plus too. It evenly distributes heat so you don't fry your hair, which not only makes a difference you can feel but is also recommended by the American Academy of Dermatology when choosing hot tools. I personally saw a huge improvement in how soft and healthy my hair felt after a few weeks of switching to ceramic-coated tools. And let's not forget about the bristles. With nylon pins and natural bristles, it detangles and styles at the same time. I even let my sister borrow it once. She has thick curly hair, and she was surprised how smoothly it glided through without getting stuck or pulling. No matter if your hair is fine, thick, straight, or curly, this brush really adapts. With more than 50,000 positive Amazon reviews and a spot in Allure's Best of Beauty Awards, the Revlon One-Step Volumizer isn't just hype, it's backed by thousands of real users and beauty experts alike. If you want quicker styling, healthier looking hair, and that fresh out of the salon feeling without leaving your house, this might just be the tool you were looking for.